Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. 550 BMW. Wow, what a beautiful car is. I love it. Okay, what we have in this car? Okay, the customer fixed this car, the technician. But if you notice here, you can tell me. Okay, here we have airbag light flashing. Other than that, everything is good. I'm gonna use my Actia icon and I'm gonna come here and I will click on, let me bring this one up a little bit. I'm gonna click on Easter A to see how can we fix this problem. Please stay with us. We need to know what's going on, what is the procedure of fixing this. So I'm gonna open Easter A. Easter A is a BMW software with wiring diagram, component location. So I'm gonna read the vehicle data here quick. It will tell me to read it without vehicle test or anything that is possible. I'm gonna choose the icon that I have it here. Please, if you need part for your car, click the link below. If you need accessories for this car. So now this is the car, as you see here, 5 Series N63 F10 5. Okay, now I'm gonna start testing the car.
But he's not putting the mount on right now. He's not putting the mount on.
Okay, no problem. That's it.
Okay, here. There's M550 here?
Yeah, it's 550, yes. Yes. Even though everything look okay, but we have about 23 fault. Let me take this one out. I want to leave the car running because I don't want to. Even everything is look okay. We have 23 codes, but you wait for it till everything is okay. And also I say thank you for your support and helping my channel to grow. Please send as much as you can to all over the people just to get learning, having understanding how you approach those cars and what tool you need. This tool here, you can get anything you want. Originally, you can buy the software, download it, and have a subscription for 1 day. All wiring diagram, everything, and there is some aftermarket that they have a software. It is not upgradable, but they have some. But for you to work correctly, you may need to have the right tools. I am here, I'm just trying to see the airbag, which is CAS, FRM, FSDS, ZGM, Combo Act, ACSD. This is this one. This is the module that I am concerning on. This is the part number and all the information. If I double click on it, okay, let me call ECU function on that. You can highlight it and call the ECU function. If I can get something from here, and then I will go directly just check that car if it's possible. I want to see how many code I have it there. DME also have a code, but I don't want to go through that. Yeah,